Now we have the heading related to weight of any object, and the heading is weightlessness. We have to here find out the locations in the vicinity of Earth where any object will feel weightless. So let us understand the meaning of the weight first. Weight formula of any object of mass m is always mg. That means in making the weight of any object, g also contributes. Now weightlessness means the weight of the body is zero experienced. So that is possible with what? So if we understand the concept here, since mg formula is making the weight and m is the mass of the object which can never be zero, that means at all the locations where g is zero, the weight will also be zero. That means gravity should be zero to make the weight zero. So overall, let us understand the idea of the weightlessness. A body is said to be in the state of weightlessness when the reaction of the supporting surface is zero, or in short its apparent weight is zero. Okay, now this concept of reaction or apparent weight we will be understanding in the first location. So first location of weightlessness, that means where the object or body will feel weightless, that first location is in a freely falling lift. Now let us understand the diagram of the lift here. A lift can be moving upwards also or downwards also. Here we will be taking the case of downward moving lift. Now we have to show all the forces which are present on the body. Suppose a person is inside the lift, standing on the floor of the lift. So person's actual weight is suppose mg, and weight or force is vector quantity. So we have to show the direction also. Vector means direction. So always the weight of any person is vertically downwards. So mg means the actual weight of the person is vertically downwards. So what happens? The person applies the weight, its own weight, on the floor of the lift, and this is like a action force. So by the Newton's third law of motion, every action has equal and opposite reaction. So floor of the lift also applies equal and opposite reaction to the person. So the reaction is applied by the floor of the lift to the person. So that means here we have shown two forces till now. Mg is the person's weight downwards and R is the reaction on it upwards. Now whatever weight this person will be experiencing when it is standing anywhere, that weight is always equal to the reaction which it is getting again. Now in case if the lift is not moving, then mg and R are equal. So if the lift is not moving, then the person will experience the reaction R, and reaction R is equal to mg only. So there will not be any change in the weight of the person. But because the lift is moving, so suppose the lift is moving downwards with acceleration a. So whenever some object is moving with acceleration a, the force of motion is ma, that is Newton's second law. So when in which direction the lift is moving, that is downward direction. So we have to show ma in the downward direction. Now this force of motion is the resultant of whatever forces are present in the situation. So ma is the resultant of other two forces, that means R and mg, and we can make a equation relating the three forces. How this equation will be prepared? Whenever two vectors or forces are in opposite direction, then to get the net answer on it, we have to subtract them. So mg minus r we will be doing, and this mg minus r is the resultant, but resultant we have to equate with ma. So ma equal to mg minus r. So finally the answer of r, if we shift r here, the answer of r is mg minus ma. That means this apparent weight or reaction which the person is experiencing, that is now mg minus ma due to the motion of the lift downwards. Thus you can notice here one thing, that actual weight of the person was mg, but what he is experiencing in the lift moving, that weight which is he is experiencing, that is mg minus ma, that means reduced weight. That's why whenever a lift is moving downwards, we feel a little decrement in the weight, we feel lighter. Now we have to understand that when this reaction can become zero. So mg minus ma is capital R reaction, we have to make it zero. That is possible when the acceleration of the lift becomes equal to g. So if we put a equal to g here, mg minus mg means 0 is the answer for the reaction or apparent weight. That means when a lift is not controlled, when the lift is freely falling, its acceleration will also be equal to g, and in that case the reaction on the person will be 0. So that person which is inside the lift, that will feel weightless.